Welcome everyone. Today in this video we are going to solve LeetCode easy question, and the question is number complement. So in this question we will be given an integer as an input and we have to return an integer as an output. So suppose we have our input as 5. So what we have to do is we have to flip, like 101 will be the binary representation for 5. What we have to do is we have to flip all the digits in binary representation of our input and we have to return that number. So after flipping all the bits it will be 0 1 0, so our answer will be 2, which we need. Okay, so basically what you can think of, like you can convert this input in its binary representation and you can flip all the bits and then you can calculate this integer by converting this binary representation to decimal form. So but this process will be very laborsome. So what we can do is here we can use a XOR operator. So a XOR operator is a bit operator which you can find on your keyboard on shift plus 6. So it looks something like this. And what is an XOR operator? Basically XOR of two same numbers will be 0, like 0 0 XOR will be 0 and 1 1's XOR will be 0, but XOR of different numbers will be 1. So using this logic what we can do is we can find another number. Suppose here we have 7. I will tell you how to find this number. So our input was 5. What we can do is this is the binary representation of our input, and if we take XOR with all ones with our input, so what will be the output? Like XOR of 1 will become, basically 1 will be flipped to 0 and 0 will be flipped to 1. So that's what we need. So by using XOR what we can do is we can flip if we can calculate this number. So how to calculate this number? So basically this number is the number of bits in our input. We have to turn all of them as 1 and that number will be our this number. So basically XOR of 5 and this number will be our answer. Okay, so let's write down code for it. Okay, so first of all what we'll need is I'll declare long int answer as 1 and suppose n as num, and while our n I am trying to calculate number of bits, and according to that I am trying to calculate our answer. Okay, so basically this number will be 2 raised to the power number of bits, like here we have 3, so what it will be, 2 raised to the power 3 will be 8, but that will be 1 0 0 0. If we subtract 1 from it we will get this. So that's what I am trying to do, 2 raised to the power number of bits minus 1. Okay, so let's go back to the code. So while what I will do, I will multiply answer with 2 each time. Basically I am calculating power and I'll divide n by, or I'll right bit shift of n by 1, and that is also equal to dividing it by 2. Okay, so equal to dividing by 2. Okay, so now we have calculated 2 raised to the power number of bits. We have to reduce it by 1 and our answer will be XOR of our input and answer. Okay, so let's try running it. Okay, accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, so this was our number complement problem solved using XOR. So XOR can be pretty useful many of the times. So thank you so much and see you guys in the next video. Bye.